Good morning, my friends. I decided to make a video of how my robot has been faring. Wow. It is just 7:35 a.m. in the morning. 7:35 a.m. this morning, and as of this morning, I woke up to profit $9.269. It can only happen with your robot. It can only happen with your robot. You can see today's profit. It can only happen with your robot. So I'd like to see the trades it has profited from. So these are the trades it did overnight while I was sleeping. It was buying and selling. Bought Shiba, made this profit. Shiba, it has just been Shiba and taking profit for me while I slept. It's all Shiba Inu. And here it's traded cake, made this profit 11 cents. Cake made 9 cents. Cake made 12 cents. And again, it's been Shiba cake. Shiba has been eating cake. And then I have Atom and Shiba. I have Atom, Shiba. Shiba Inu is a coin, actually. Shiba Inu is a coin, just like Doge coin. So my robot has been trading and taking profit. You can see this is profit amount, all as at this morning, and it took profit of $9 for me before I woke up. This is amazing. And this is an account, or I would say it is a portfolio of about $300. What if I had $1,000? What if I had $10,000? That would be my profit multiplied by in fact, you can do the mathematics. So call me, join in now. This is live. Your profits are just recorded here. However, they are all reporting to Binance live and direct. If you have a Huobi account, it will report to Huobi. Your currency is in Huobi as your USDT. It just keeps buying on Huobi.com and keeps selling and taking profit for you and dropping it on Huobi. You can see even as of now, it's still buying and selling. Yeah, that's just the power of the robots. You make money while you sleep. You make money while you are in the office. You make money even while you are in church services. I started on the 16th with a little amount of about $10 to $50, and then I stopped, waited till month's end, and then I started on the 30th, precisely 30th, fully 30th. Then from 30th of September, 1st of October, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, which is today, it has been making profit consistently every single day. So regardless of the loss in your account, your robot keeps making profit for you. It keeps buying. You can see your robot is taking profit for you every time. And as you can see, it has bought and sold about 99 times, buying and selling, and selling, buying and selling, buy, sell, buy, sell. I could not sit down with Binance to be buying and selling, taking profit on 9 coins, but my robot, as I subscribe to it, has been buying and selling day in, day out, multiple times, different times. You can see this is today 2:10 a.m. It bought Shiba, it sold Shiba, bought again, sold Shiba, bought again, sold Shiba, bought again. Within this time, from 210 to 216, it has been buying and selling, and that's how it goes. Look at all the trades it's been buying and selling. These are the transactions. So my friends, coming, join now, chat me up. Let's start our journey to financial freedom. It's all about RoyalQ. My friends, I tell you, this is a very good trade. This is a very good business. Do this and go to work from morning till night. Your robot is trading for you. Call me, chat me up. Thank you.